Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Something strange is happening in our oceans, and it involves some of the weirdest, most fascinating creatures on the planet. Anglerfish, oarfish. Normally, these guys are kings and queens of the deep. We're talking thousands of feet down in the crushing pressure and total darkness of the deep sea. But lately, they've been showing up in places they just shouldn't be. Escaping the deep? Are they lost? Or is something bigger going on in the mysterious depths of our ocean? Today, we're diving deep to explore this ocean enigma. Let's get into it. First, let's meet our stars. On the left we have the anglerfish. Don't let the unique looks fool you. This predator is a master of ambush in the darkness. That glowing lure? It's not just for show. It's bait to attract unsuspecting prey right to those razor-sharp teeth. And on the right, the majestic oarfish. Often called the king of herrings, this serpentine giant can grow to incredible lengths, some say up to 50 feet. They are rarely seen alive, and for centuries, they were the stuff of legend, mistaken for sea serpents. Both of these creatures are perfectly adapted to the extreme conditions of the deep sea. So why are we seeing them in shallower waters, sometimes even washing up on beaches? The most likely answer is, something is changing in their deep sea home. And not in a good way. Scientists are pointing to a few major stressors that could be pushing these creatures out. First, warming waters. Even the deep ocean isn't immune to climate change. As the planet warms, the deep sea absorbs heat, and even a small temperature change in their stable environment can be a big deal. Warmer water also holds less oxygen, which brings us to deoxygenation. Oxygen levels in parts of the ocean are declining. If the deep sea is losing oxygen, creatures that need it to breathe are going to struggle. They might be forced to seek out areas with better oxygen, even if it means leaving their normal habitat. Pollution is another culprit. Our oceans are facing unprecedented levels of pollution from plastics to chemical runoff. This pollution can reach even the deepest parts of the ocean, impacting the delicate balance of this ecosystem and potentially poisoning deep sea life. Then there's deep sea mining. The deep sea is rich in minerals, and there's increasing interest in mining these resources. But these operations can be incredibly destructive, destroying habitats, creating sediment plumes that suffocate life, and generating loud noise. And speaking of noise pollution from ships, sonar, and industrial activities can travel deep into the ocean. Imagine living in total silence your whole life, and suddenly your home is filled with jarring, disruptive sounds. It's incredibly stressful for marine life. Now, are these fish afraid? Probably not in the way we understand fear, but they are definitely stressed. Think of it like your home suddenly becoming unlivable. Too hot, not enough air, noisy, and polluted. You wouldn't be afraid, but you'd definitely be trying to get out and find somewhere better. These sightings could be a distress signal from the deep. Anglerfish and oarfish, creatures perfectly adapted to their environment, are telling us something is off balance in this hidden world. They might be indicator species, warning us about broader ecological problems we can't easily see. So, why should we care about deep-sea fish we rarely see? Because the deep sea isn't separate from the rest of the ocean, or from us. It plays a vital role in our planet's health, regulating climate, supporting food webs, and holding incredible biodiversity. Increased sightings of these deep-sea creatures should be a wake-up call. We need to support scientific research *, reduce pollution. Precaution in deep-sea activities *, address climate change. The deep sea remains one of Earth's last great frontiers. It's a world of wonder, but also a world under increasing pressure. Are the sightings of anglerfish and oarfish a warning we can't afford to ignore? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching everyone, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.